Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, I had been in the city for a long time. Now I am in my village and this is my farm. So what I have noticed is that guys, in the city, whenever you buy vegetables and fruits, there is a chance that you might get adulterated things. But here when you come to village, you can get the things quite organic. So here I am going to show you, if I talk about vegetables, here guys you can see, look at here the cauliflower. See the cauliflower, and see this is the cauliflower plant, and I am going to pluck this cauliflower. So it's quite organic. There is nothing like adulteration. You can use this cauliflower and you can get that organic vegetable. So I'm quite happy to get such things. So I am going to pluck it. How to do that? Yeah. See guys, cauliflower, quite organic, directly from the plant. Okay, fine. So I've got this cauliflower. Now guys, look at here. You must have seen green chilies, but here you can see it's dark purple chili. It is purple or it's dark blue? It's purple. Or blue. It's dark blue. It is looking like purple as well as blue. It's dark blue. Look at the chili. My God. So very nice. I'm going to get some chilies as well from here. I will take. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I have got 4 chilies. They are dark blue chilies. Okay. Well guys, so see, I'm not going to pluck so many chilies, as you can see they are not matured enough. Quite, you can find baby chilies here. They are so much in small sizes, so baby chilies. So I'm not going to pluck them off. Anyways guys, now here, see guys, this is ridge guard. Okay, in Hindi it is called tori. So तोड़ी क्या
थोड़ी
हाँ, तो तोड़ी को तोड़ते हैं भाई ये unfortunately I got one that the baby one. So this is a ridge guard. Wow, amazing. Is there any other ridge guard here? Only one piece is there.
No.
It's a ridge guard plant. So this is not mature. It's not mature.
इसे भी तोड़ लो
This one?
खत्म है अब
Okay. Okay. Fine, and pluck it. There. Okay, one more is there. Guys, I can see one more up there, so I'm going to cut it off. Actually, its plant is wilting, so I'm thinking I should pluck whatever I get here. So I am. This is. Wait a minute.
यहाँ से तोड़ लो
So guys, this is ridge guard. Okay. Correct. So guys, now I'm going to show you the bottle guard. So this is the bottle guard plant. They are climbers. They climb on any tree. So here I can see one bottle guard. Guys, come here. See. Look at this one.
देख लेना जो बड़ा होगा उसी को काटना.
See, it seems to be mature enough. I must go for it. How to cut it?
इधर से इधर से इधर से इधर से. और भी काफी कम. हाँ काटो.
So my dad is plucking it down now. Strong. Yeah. So guys, bottle guard, 20 rupees per kg in the city. Bottle guard, sometimes 25 rupees per kg. So I got this. Okay. Yes, Dad. Yes. Yeah. It came. Okay. Yeah. One more. Is there? Yes. That's there. Oh my God! It's quite big. It's quite big. Wait a minute. It's big. Huh? Came. Oh, it fell that side. So finally I got it, but oh my God, it's too big, guys. I can show you here, but here it got cracked from here, you can see, and it's too heavy as well. पूरा जवान हो गया है. It is so much mature, and here also it got damaged from here. You can see this, just because it fell down. Okay, I'm coming back. Guys, you can see here this plant, it's a creeper, and this is pointed guard plant. Pointed guard means परवल. परवल तो सबको पता है, इसको ट्रिकोसेंथिस डियोइका भी कहते हैं. तो see this, guys, it's परवल plant. You can see this परवल here, pointed guard. Yeah, now the season is going to end, so I didn't find any mature pointed guard here, so I'm not going to pluck it. So okay, now I'm looking for some other vegetables, maybe bitter gourd. Guys, can you see this plant? And you can see these yellow flowers. They are called sanail. I don't know in English, but they are called sanail ke phool, and they are used for making पकौड़ास. यानी कि आप इसके पकौड़े बना सकते हैं, और इसका साग भी आप बना सकते हैं. ये जो फ्लावर देख रहे हैं गाइस, तो ये पेड़ इसलिए लगाया जाता है. These plants are planted in order to get these flowers so that you can make either saag or pakoras out of these. So,
वैसे नहीं.
हाँ.
एक बार ऐसे पकड़ो.
Okay. Wow. So this is the technique. Yeah. I got. My father has taught me the technique. So see, I just have to do like this. Wow. Guys, as you can see, these plants, they are bitter gourd plants, and here you can see the condition of the bitter gourd. Though they are organic, still as the season is going to end, so it is not up to the market. Look at this insect. The green insect, they just look like the green leaves. So I'm going to pluck it. Look at that. See guys, these are the bitter gourd. 15 रुपए पाव, 20 रुपए पाव in cities. So guys, now I am going to pluck some lady's finger. You can see here, see. Wow. See guys, lady's finger. It is also called okra. So let me pluck.
इसको ऐसे पकड़ोगे ना
Ah,
पट
my dad knows everything. I was really.
तो बैठने का भी जरूरी नहीं
It's my first time. Okay, I'm going to learn and I will definitely pluck. So I came across one more and like this. I have to pull it, no? Dad? Yeah.
बस नीचे में घुमाओगे पट से टूट जाएगा
अब ये मैंने पूरे प्लांट को खराब कर दिया है. It's not good.
कोई बात नहीं
Okay. So guys, as you can see this basket and see whatever I have collected here. तो ये रहा बैंगन, I mean brinjal. This is ridge gourd. This is your bitter gourd. This is lady's finger, cauliflower and bottle gourd as well as some chilies. So इतना है guys. पूरे साल सब्जी खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. जो गांव के लोग हैं वो भली भांति जानते हैं. तो ऑर्गेनिक खाने का जो मौका मिलता है तो हम जैसे लोग जो ज़्यादातर शहरों में रहते हैं तो वो एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं. हालांकि गांव वालों के लिए लग रहा होगा क्या कर रहा है, क्या ये बचकाना हरकत कर रहा है. उनके लिए नई बात नहीं है. बट फॉर मी इट्स रियली ग्रेट थिंग बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग ऑर्गेनिक थिंग्स एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली एक्सटैटिक टू बी हेयर. नो मैटर फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज आई एम हेयर बट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक थिंग्स. सो आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी विद दिस गाइस. सो ये आपका हो गया एक टोकरी भरकर. And my father is still plucking those flowers. तो उसका साग या पकौड़ा बनाया जाएगा. जो सनेल का फूल है तो अभी प्लक हो ही रहा है. Daksha, are you happy?
Yes,
Okay. You wanna say something? What? So where are you right now? You are in the village.
Yes, and I am in my farm.
You are at your farm.
Yes,
Okay.
and this is my camping stick. I can do camping.
Okay. So what are you going to do?
Camping.
So you will set them on fire.
Yes, because I'm feeling so much cold.
Oh, feeling cold.
Yes.
So Akshat is also enjoying here. He has always been in the city, so he has never been to such places. He has never spent, beautiful time in the village. So he's quite excited. Okay, do that. Set it on fire. How will you do that?
I need some leaf for that it pretend be the fire.
Okay.
It should look like that,
Okay, go.
and I should plug it.
Okay, go ahead.
No, you can't pluck that one, baby. Take some this leaf.
Take that leaf. That one.
That should be the fire.
Yes.
Oh, my hands are burning. Mouse, fire.
So Akshat is feeling as if he is in the forest and enjoying like man versus wild. So great. Do it. Okay, fine.
Yes, I'm sitting at the fire.
That's Okay guys, so I think this is okay. See, as you know that this is my vlog channel, so I'm trying to make some vlog videos. गांव में हूँ तो गांव से रिलेटेड जो भी छोटा मोटा है बना रहा हूँ ताकि बस आप लोग एंटरटेन करें, एंजॉय करें. इंग्लिश के लिए चैनल है ही जहाँ पर आपको इंग्लिश की वीडियोस मिलते रहेंगे गाइस. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी एंड ऑलवेज स्टे कनेक्टेड. थैंक यू गाइस.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Not why yet. First,
Okay.
let me show you the fire.
Okay, so now Akshat is going to talk to you. Okay, Akshat.
I'm putting the fire.
Okay, go ahead. Do fast, baby.
Hi.
It's the fire. Oh, it's the fire.
Okay, you are happy?
Yes. And now can I take all of
सब्जी रख
these?
दें हम झोला में
Yeah, take all and say bye to the viewers.
Now I'm going back home.
So guys, this is all. Thank you guys. I'm going back with lots of vegetables.
And
Akshat?
I'm going to have fun playing with my campfire at home.
Okay.
But Daddy, I've still got petrol to
बिल्कुल
Can I have lift? I will take that. I will. Can I have lift?
टूट जाएगा
Cycle will go like this.
Oh. Okay. I'm not going to
चलो
do that.
चलो
I was just kidding. Why are you crying? What
हाँ
happened?
तो क्या हो गया
I was kidding. Don't, see, people are watching you. Don't cry. I was
रिकॉर्ड हो
kidding.
जाएगा रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा
I was kidding. Okay, come. I'll give you lots of things. Come. I was just kidding. I was not doing anything. I
हाँ
was just kidding. Don't
चलिए
you know how can I ride this cycle? Don't you know it's quite small for me? It's just for you, baby. See, I'll buy a lot of things for you. See, all the people are watching.
मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉय हूँ चलो
Now come on. I'll give you lots of things. Come.
बता दिए स्ट्रॉन्ग है
Come. Okay, say bye to the viewers. Say bye. No. Okay. He is quite angry. Okay, bye guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you.